Halo teman-teman semuanya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi ke video tutorial pengoperasian ACL pada kesempatan kali ini. Di kesempatan sebelumnya, kita telah belajar tutorial mengenai chapter 6 di mana kita menganalisis dan mengidentifikasi transaksi-transaksi di bulan April di Metapod. Pada kesempatan kali ini, di video ini kita akan membahas tutorial di chapter terakhir, yaitu chapter 7, di mana kita akan belajar tentang validate, correct, and extract data, di mana kita akan memperbaiki data sehingga data tersebut siap untuk dianalisis. Okay, so in the chapter 7, we will gonna learn about how to organize project with folders, expand the project to include my transaction, combine my transaction into a single table, and class 1 is to correct card number and employee rates. We head into first main point in this chapter, which is to import the main transaction data. First, we're gonna create a folder called April 2003. First, we select file, and then new, and then folder, and then a folder appears. And then we name the folder May 2003 and hit enter. Next, we're gonna import transaction data for May 2003. First, we right-click the May 2003 folder, we select the new and then table, and then the data definition wizard will appear. And then we select trans_May.xls. Next, we set the tables as trans1_May, and we return to step 2 and set the second worksheet as trans2_May. Next, we need to edit the table layout for both new tables. First, with the trans1_May table, we select edit and the table layout, and then we edit the amount, card number, and codes field. In the amount field, we select numeric from the type drop-down list, and then enter 2 in the decimal field so that amount has 2 decimal places. Next, we double-click the card number field, also change the data type to SG, and then click the green check. Double-click the codes field, change the data type to SG, Next, we close the table layout window. We go into data and verify, and then verify all of this field. And then we have to repeat the same procedure for the trans2_May table. Next, we're heading to compare and correct the table layouts. First, we open the trans1_May table, and then we select Windows Show Command Line, and the command line will appear. In the command line text box, enter display, and then we hit enter, and ACL will display the table layout. On the display tab, click the push pin button to ensure that ACL displays subsequent payment results in addition to the pinned results. And then we open the trans2_May table. In the command line text box, we enter display, hit enter, and ACL will display the table layout, and then the compare contents of both display tabs. The table layouts are identical except for one inconsistency, which is in trans1May is amount has a field length of 16, but in trans2May, amount has a field length of 15. We can resolve this problem by correcting the layout of transaction 1May. Next, we select Edit Table Layout, and then the table layout window will appear, and then we double-click amount, change the length to 15, and click the green check mark, and then we close the table layout windows. Okay, so next we're heading to next main point in the chapter, which is to combine and verify the tables. First, with the trans1May table active, we select the data and extract data. and then we select fields, click extract fields. The selected fields dialog box will appear, and then in the available field list, click the start column header so that all of the fields are listed in sequential order starting with card number. And then we click add all and then click OK. Next we enter transmit all into the to field and then we click OK. And then ACL will create a new table which is transmit all, which contains the data from trans 1 May. Now we append the trans 2 May data to the transmit all table. We open the trans 2 May table first, we select data and then extract data. Also we select fields and then we extract fields. The selected fields dialog box will appear. And then we click add all and then we click OK. And then we enter transmit all in the to field. On the more tab, we select append to existing file and then we click OK. Now ACL opens transmit all. Next, we're gonna check the combined table for duplicates. First, we open the transmit all table and then we click analyze and then look for duplicates. And then we select amount in the duplicate on list. And then we select amount in the duplicates on list. And then we click list field. And then we click add all and click OK. On the output tab, we select screen and then we click OK. And then now ACL will show you the result of duplicate for amount values. Baik teman-teman, sekian pemaparan tutorial pada chapter 7 dalam aplikasi ACL ini. Video ini sekaligus menjadi penutup rangkaian video tutorial ACL pada kesempatan-kesempatan sebelumnya. Semoga dengan adanya video ini, teman-teman semua dapat bisa terbantu dalam mengoperasikan aplikasi ACL dan bisa mengolah data-data lebih lanjut dalam problem yang lebih kompleks. Sekian dari saya, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Sampai jumpa di lain kesempatan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.